Hey everyone, this is Alex. For today's vlog, I'll be answering some of your questions with regards to the upcoming exam for this year. So yung unang tanong po natin, hi po, ask ko lang kung pwede mag-take kahit hindi 85% yung average. So basically, yung pinaka-requirements natin pag mag-take ng exam is 85% or above. Pag hindi nyo po naabot yung 85%, you are encouraged to improve your grade for the next school year para makapag-take po kayo ng exam. So, wag po kayo mawala ng pag-asa. At yung pangalawang tanong po natin, Sir, paano makapag-apply sa PMA? So, marami po tayong paraan paano makapag-apply ng PMA. Number one is through online. You may visit the official page of PMA para makita nyo po yung post nila with regards to on how to apply through online. At susundin nyo lang po yung procedure doon. Pwede rin po kayo mag-visit sa page na The Young Filipino Patriot. And then, yung pangalawa po natin is to walk in. During exam day, you may bring all your requirements. Huwag niyo pong kalimutan yung mga requirements nyo. And present your requirements sa exam center mismo para makater po kayo at makapag-take po kayo ng exam. Take note po, unahin po nilang i-cater yung mga nakapag-apply through online at susundin po yung mga walk-in applicants. So guys, if you have questions, pwede nyo pong i-comment down below para sagutin po natin sa ating next vlog.